The middle is liquid cooling machine.
Okay.
And then it is a 125 kW PCS.
You don't need two. That's an example. Only.
Yeah,
You can have only one.
Yes.
So this is the bypass, like the
Yes.
like the transformer
Yes.
switch.
Yes.
And the cabin is only for grouping, for parallel.
Yes.
So you have one, you don't need that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the bypass is the transformer, the bypass switch.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one, we put the new screen and everything is new, right?
Yes.
In series, so the voltage will be little higher than this one.
And for 208 volts, what are the options? 30 and 50 or only 30?
You need to keep pin PV1, PV2 is with same string.
Okay.
Do not put 1718, it's no good.
Okay.
Put 1717 and string to 1818.
O sea que ahí lo ves ahí. Sería primero el 7 positivo, luego el 7 positivo, luego el 8 positivo, el cuarto vacío, luego el 7 negativo del 1, 7 negativo del 2 y 8 negativo del 3. O sea, aquí están los 4 positivos. En el nuevo está diferente, ¿no?
Sí, diferente.
This will also send some, what happened? This battery, sorry, this inverter will fill and the output of the negative goes to the negative of the inverter. So the positive don't go through here.
You put 1 and 2, it's just use 1 MPPT. This MPPT is empty.
Well, that's a good solution.
Yeah, se carga.
Thank you.